Hey, Mommy.
Whoa, look at you're standing. Whoa, you were standing. Whoa. Ah, not in the mouth.
You do.
Whoa. 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 Wow.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
We go on this train.
Go on that train.
Thank
This
you.
is how they go up steep, so it catches it and doesn't slip. That's pretty cool, huh?
Liza.
What does this do?
Thank you.
What's that?
That keeps it from.
Uh-oh, here she
slipping.
comes.
See if this is- see how
Whoa.
this would slip? If you went up really tall like this and it tried to go, it would just slip. This one gives it traction so it can latch onto it.
Thank
and pull
you.
it. That's pretty cool, huh?
Thank you.
Look at that.
Duh.
Oh, this is the one that we
Liza.
looked at.
Duh.
That's a long. See, my train can go on this long one.
Monkey, what are you guys doing?
We are
What are we reading?
the train book.
Yeah, and what's special about this train?
Yeah.
What's neat about it? Can you describe this train? It's a long train, has an engine and a coal car. What color is it? Color? It's blue and gold. Pretty cool, and it has a restaurant car.
Liza,
The engine's black.
what are you
You're
doing?
The engine's
right.
black.
You're right. Where does it get its energy to go? What makes it go? Oh, what's in here? What makes it
Mommy,
go?
let's get this one out.
Okay. What makes it go?
Liza.
Things to the intake. Please say I'm sorry.
Sorry, Mommy.
Thank you.
Liza.